Alright guys, very welcome all over to the channel and the video. And if you can remember the previous video that I've talked about yesterday, and I mentioned this downtrend could be happening as well. Before this downtrend, this uptrend also could be happen, right? And exactly we predicted, and now you can see the chart over here. Market goes up and goes down. The reason that I'm saying this uptrend could be happen, when we talk about the yesterday analysis, the market was around here and the currency instead metaverse in the red side, both USD and Bitcoin. So that's what something is strange, and market uptrend could be happen because of that, right? Exactly that happened and touched the line, reverse to the downside. And as well, I want to mention one more thing before we continue the analyze. Those who are new to this channel and the video, I recommend that just watch my previous analysis and video so that you can watch and learn how we predicted the market from here to here and from here to here. That market would go down, market would go up, so on, so just like that, right? And also I mentioned, if sellers want to take the control of the market, they have to break this line over here, and exactly the now market has been broken line over here, right? With strong sellers, now sellers are building up their positions while buyers are a little bit getting weaker. But keep in mind, the main buyers is still a little bit here, right? It's still a little bit over here. Buyers are trying so hard to get their positions, but sellers are a little bit kind of strong. Now, if sellers want to continue this bearish downtrend, they have to do this thing, right? Just check out over here, right? They have to create some weak market upward pullback to this side over here with weak candles, just like this one. Not strong candles, weak candles. If reverse from this area just like this, that means, yeah, this downtrend that is started from here will be continue to this side over here, right? This charts over here that we analyzed a couple of days ago, and that is still active. So if this happen, right, over and over again, I mean this downtrend is started, and if pullback created, as I mentioned over here, with weak candles, weak uptrend move, and if reversed from this key level, that means this downtrend could be started and could be continued, right? And as well, let's have a look at the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. Currently, you can see the S&P 500 also is started that down move, and as well, NASDAQ over here, look at chart over here, right? This was a previous resistance area that we have marked over here. Exactly that line reversed. Now you might be wondering that why I'm talking about NASDAQ stock market and the S&P 500 indexes. The reason is NASDAQ and the stock market, US stock market and NASDAQ indexes and S&P 500 indexes directly has the positive correlation with Bitcoins and the cryptocurrency market. So that's why I'm always looking at the S&P 500 and NASDAQ, right? Well, let's continue the market over here. So as we mentioned, keeping in your mind, if sellers want to continue this downtrend, the sellers has to manage this weak up pullback to this area and should be reversed from this area. If buyers continue, if buyers take the control of the market again by breaking this line again to the upside, then could be create some another bull market to this area over here again. So, and as well, here's a key point I mentioned in the previous videos too. And buyers try to break this line couple of times. This time over here, try to break, comes back. Touch the line, reverse, break, comes back, breaks, but this time buyers managed to reverse above this line, and the second consecutive time yesterday also managed buyers reversed, and finally market broke through. So that's some kind of a significant signal that, yeah, sellers are a little bit over here, but remember, buyers will try one more time to take their positions. That means there will be some kind of a market pullback or correction, retest could be happen. And if sellers want to continue this downtrend, that retest could be weak, slow market over here, right? With a weak candles, right? Otherwise, if sellers getting stronger than just like that, that could be another bull market start. right, to this area, right? So if that bull market, if that happens, if bull market continue and if breaks through this line, that could be another upward market to 6,600 area. But for now, 60% of percentage has bearish market momentum. And as well, let's have a look at the currency market strength right now. This is something also unusual, right? Now you know why I'm saying this is something unusual. If USD getting strong, Bitcoin should be weak, but this is in the same side, right? This is now in the same side. This is something unusual. Something big is gonna happen. The same thing happened yesterday, right? When we talk about the yesterday video, market was around here in the all USD and the Bitcoin in the red side, and I mentioned something unusual could be happen, and exactly market just start this uptrend. Now the situation is upside. Both currencies are in the green side, which means Bitcoin could be reversed to the downside, the main possibility in the strength meter, right? And let's see what's gonna happen. I'll update with another video from time to time. Keep an eye, guys. See you again with another Bitcoin analysis.